ভিডিও। আজকে আমরা একটা হরর ভিডিও দেখব। আপনারা কি সবাই রেডি আছেন? চালু করলাম।
Plenty of scary things have been caught on home security cameras, from strangers licking doorbells to scary clowns appearing on your front lawn. Home security cameras were designed to catch any intruder on your property, but sometimes it catches just a little bit more. This is Top 10 Scary Things Caught on Home Security Cameras. Number 10, Bad Dreams. The lady in the video had a long day and decided to have a nap. All of a sudden, her bedroom door opens like an invisible force had pushed it. Now, the girl claims that there was not a window open and that she was the only one home at the time. Take a look.
তো বন্ধুরা, আপনারা তো দেখলেনই, দরজাটা একা একা খুললো, কিন্তু দরজার পিছনে কেউ নেই। শুরু করলাম। ও, ভুলে গেছিলাম, আপনারা, আমার একটা চ্যানেল আছে, তার নাম হচ্ছে ইহাম প্রো। আপনারা সবাই সাবস্ক্রাইব, লাইক, শেয়ার করবেন। শুরু করলাম।
Mexican doll. The little girl was enjoying her afternoon playing with her dolls after school when her doll's head started to move.
বন্ধুরা, আমরা একটু ভিডিওটা পজ করলাম, কিছু মনে করবেন না। তো বন্ধুরা, আমাদের শেষ। আমার তাহলে ভিডিও কন্টিনিউ করি।
This is not the first time that the little girl have had exposure to what is haunting her. One evening, she was in the living room coloring when the papers beside her started to move.
কি ছিল? কিছু নেই।
Number 8, Doorbell Ghost. This video was captured on a doorbell camera. The family was in the living room coloring when the papers beside her started to move. Number 8, Doorbell Ghost. This video was captured on a doorbell camera. The family was at work when they received a notification text that something was spotted on their front porch. After reviewing the footage, a huge black figure can be seen walking in front of the camera and disappearing. By the name of You Know It Joe have been noticing food going missing and objects being moved at night. So he asked his girlfriend, who was living with him at the time, if she had eaten the food, but she said no. So he set up a camera to catch her. But what he caught was far more grim. Take a look.
আমার দাদা ছিল, এই দেখেন আমার দাদা আমার মাথায় হাত দিচ্ছিল।
Number 6. Connect Figure. The YouTuber Michael D. Maggie had been experiencing a lot of paranormal activity, so he decided to set up an Xbox Connect in the kitchen, where the most activity happens, to catch whatever's in his home. And what the Xbox Connect catches will shock you completely.
তো বন্ধুরা ভালো হয়েছে। হ্যালো বন্ধুরা, ওকে বন্ধুরা, ঠিক আছে, সব ঠিক আছে।
Number 5. What is it? This video was captured on a home security camera. The family was enjoying a warm evening poolside. A couple was in the pool laughing and talking when all of a sudden an alligator sneaks up and dives into the pool and started attacking a female swimmer. Check it out. Number 4. Burglar. The owner of the home fell asleep on the couch one night when a burglar broke into the home. The burglar makes her way into the living room where Laura was sleeping on the couch. She searches the place for anything valuable, and as she walks past Laura and took her wallet, money, and jewelry. Now, the person was later arrested because of the security cameras the owner had installed. Take a look.
তো বন্ধুরা, আপনারা তো দেখতেই পারলেন ওটা কে যেন এখান থেকে হেঁটে গেল। বার্গলার, হ্যাঁ ওটা মনে হয় ভূত।
Number 3. Midnight Guest. This video was captured in Montgomery, Texas. The residents was awakened by their doorbell in the middle of the night. After reviewing the home video surveillance system, they see a woman approaching the porch and proceeded to ring the doorbell. Now the thing about the woman is that she appears pregnant and wearing shackles. People are claiming that she might have been kidnapped and she had escaped and went to the nearest house for help. What do you think? Leave your comments below. Number 2, Midnight Clown. Now, these footages were captured on home security cameras in Jacksonville, Florida. Strange sightings of people dressed up as clowns started appearing all over Jacksonville. And I'm telling
গাইস দেখেন এই বাসার সামনে একটা ক্লাউন দাঁড়িয়ে আছে। আপনারা কি জানেন ক্লাউন কোথায় থাকে? ক্লাউন থাকে ক্লাউন একটা ভূতের জায়গা থাকে। ক্লাউন একটা ভূতের জায়গা থাকে। ক্লাউন থাকে হচ্ছে কি ডাব্বা কি যে বলে পুরো বক্সের মতো কিছু না গাইস। আমরা কন্টিনিউ করি।
most of them are just plain scary. Check it out. Before we get into number 1, I would like to ask you a question. Do you have a phobia of clowns like I do? Leave your answers in the comment section below. Number 1, Nighttime Madness. This is another capture from the YouTuber Michael D. Maggie.
ওকে গাইস, ওই ফোবিয়াটা বললো না, ওটা যদি আপনাদের থাকে তাহলে আপনাদের এই ভিডিও দেখা লাগবে না, আপনাদের ভয় লাগবে, তো আপনারা চলে যান।
Michael wanted to investigate the strange sounds and objects moving around his home.
যাদের ওই ফোবিয়া নাই তাহলে দেখেন।
So he set up a camera in his living room, and what the camera captured shook him to the core.
বন্ধুরা, আমরা একদিন ভিডিও করার সময় আমরা একটা ভূত দেখেছিলাম। ঠিক আছে, নেভার মাইন্ড।
Through his dining chair across the room and started opening the front door to his apartment. Now, Michael claims that no one was in the apartment except him that night, and he made sure that the front door is locked before he goes to bed. What do you think is making the noises and moving objects in Michael's home? Leave your comments below. Also, you can check out the full video of Michael's capture on his YouTube channel, Michael D. Maggie. If you like the video,
মাইকেল ডি ম্যাগিতে ওই ফুল ভিডিওটা দেখবেন গাইস, ওইটা দেখবেন।
don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and hit the bell.
জি গাইস, আমাদেরটাও করবেন। সো আজকের ভিডিওটা এই পর্যন্ত। আর গাইস, লাস্ট থিং দাঁড়ান, লাস্ট থিং, আমার একটা চ্যানেল আছে, কেউ মনে হয় জানেনও না, আমারও একটা চ্যানেল আছে। আমারও এই যে দেখেন, ফটোফট এই ভিডিওটা দেখে সাবস্ক্রাইব করে দেবেন ওই চ্যানেলে, বুঝছেন? এটা হলো চ্যানেলের নাম হলো নুহাম প্লেস 550 550, ওকে? সো আজকের ভিডিওটা এই পর্যন্ত। পিস।